Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here's standards. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about the important questions of an data security and health. So subject ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ BEC613B ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೀಡಿಯೋನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿನೇ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ 2 ಮಾಡಲ್ 3 ಮಾಡಲ್ 4 ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಓದೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಮಾಡಲ್ 3-4 ಓದಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮಾಡಲ್ 1 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಮಾಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ PDF 14 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಾಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಂತ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ 5 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ DSA ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಂಗ್ ನೀಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿತ್ ನೀಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ discuss the secret of distribution confidently and authentication. Very important. In this history of the question, one of the questions is going to come in exams. So very important thing, everyone should be practice the diagrams and definition. Okay, very important. In this history of the question, one of the question is going to come in exam for 7 marks. Okay, after that if you see the transport key control scheme, very important agirutte. So discuss the element and curve digital signification algorithm. Discuss the following of decentralized distribution and public announcement of public keys. Very important. In this two of the question, one of the question can come in your exams. Basically I can tell you something with in this question 1 2 3 4 5 if you just read the 5 questions, it's more than enough for your exam. From 5 questions only you're going to get 14 marks. But also your plan B if you want to get out of 4 marks, decentralized distribution public announcement, just read out that question also. It's very easy questions, so you can go through that also. From the model 5 you can get easily 14 marks. I will be just write like this for 20 out of 20. Okay, 20 out of 14. If you see the model 4, what is the hashing functions? Explain the use of hashing functions of message authentication. Describe the structure of designing objectives. Hash function, very important. I think in this 3 of the question, one of the questions is going to come in exam for 7 marks. And explain this one is problems is there, very important. In this 2 of the question, one of the questions is going to come in exam for 7 marks. So from model 4 also you can get 14 marks easily. So everyone study full complete. Okay, model 3, explain the Filman key exchange and explain the Finwet and Heller's theorems, very important. In this 3 of the question, one of the questions is going to come in exam, very important. You should read each and every question. Why? Because some days are from some days paper are getting so much of difficult. It's okay. From this question I think paper will be very easy. So 7 marks you will get in this 3 of the questions. And explain the revision the shams acronym RSA algorithm is very important. Okay, list the difference between public keys and encryption, very important. Requirements applications. In this 3 of the question, one of the question is going to come in exam for just 7 marks. So if in this model also you will get easily 14 marks. Okay, so from this model also you can get 14 marks. Okay, out of 20. I think you wrote here something. Okay, model 2, if you say model 2, explain the group in detail with the properties. Explain the Hilden algorithm of GCD2 numbers. Okay, explain the properties of modular arithmetic integers. Okay, in this 3 of the question, one of the question is going to come in exam for 7 marks. After that, determine 1 on 11 using the modular arithmetic. Show the 34-35 relative prime, very important agirutte. So in this 2 of the question very important agirutte. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೂಡ. So 7 marks easily you can take this also. From 14 marks you will get easily in this model. So if you read completely, okay, model 1 ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ design the process of versatile inscription and description of okay, I cannot pronounce that. Inscription and description. Okay, explain the general structure of ES inscription. Okay, in this 3 of the question, one of the questions is going to come in your exams for independent dimensions. So in this one of the questions is very important for 7 marks, it may come in your exam. So after that this question also said electronic communication, very important. In this two of the question, one of the questions is going to exam. I think it's very very easy questions. So from that 7 marks you will get easily from everything. If you follow my videos, I can definitely tell you last model 14 marks out of 20. Okay, easily you can get if you follow my complete videos, you follow the questions, everything will get easily in exams, like in 60 70 plus in exams. So just follow my videos for next subjects and all. Thank you for watching till now. Just want to subscribe, please subscribe, go through the link will be given be in description, you can go through and subscribe.